everyone, welcome back to our cybersecurity series. So today's topic is something almost all of us use every single day, but very few people actually think about its security. Yes, we are talking about Wi-Fi. So sounds simple, right? But here is the question. Would you leave the front door of your house unlocked just because you are only stepping out for 5 minutes? Probably not. Then why do so many people connect to any Wi-Fi network without thinking twice? So let's find out. Whether you are at home or at a coffee shop, an airport, or even a hotel. So the first thing most people ask is, what's the Wi-Fi password? But have you ever asked, like, is this Wi-Fi actually safe or not? That's exactly what wireless network security is all about. So think of your Wi-Fi password as a lock on your front door. Some locks are old and easy to break, and others are modern and much stronger. So that's why you will see names like WPA and WPA2. So they are simply different generations of Wi-Fi security. Now imagine someone sitting outside your home and they are not breaking in, but they are just quietly listening through an open window. So in cybersecurity, attackers sometimes try to capture Wi-Fi traffic, which means collecting the information traveling between your phone or laptop and the Wi-Fi network. So if the Wi-Fi password is weak, so they may even try to guess or crack it. So the good news, ethical hackers use these same techniques only with permission to help companies discover weak Wi-Fi security before cyber criminals do. So how can you stay safe? Use long and unique Wi-Fi passwords, keep your router updated, and avoid use public Wi-Fi for banking or sensitive accounts. And always choose the latest Wi-Fi security whenever possible. It's WPA3. So remember, Wi-Fi doesn't just connect your devices. It connects your entire digital life, protect it like you protect your home. So want to learn how ethical hackers test Wi-Fi security in real world labs? So follow SkyStates and enroll today to master cybersecurity with hands-on practicals and industry standard tools. So if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts and subscribe because the next model is even more exciting. So see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.